Do you want to know the secret to making the most money when you sell your house? Sellers, this is for you. It's going to be short, it's going to be sweet, but I promise you it's going to make a difference in your wallet. The secret to making the most money when you sell your house is actually having done annual maintenance on your home when you lived in it. I know you're rocked, you're surprised, you're shocked. When you take care of the home that you live in and you do the things that you need to do every single year, you keep the quality of your home at least level, if not improving. For instance, if your windows are old, you replace your windows. Not only are your bills going to go down, your home value is going to go up. Because I cannot stress enough how many times I walk into a house with a buyer and we see the windows and I'm like, there's $60,000. There's $60,000 you got to spend for new windows, new doors. It is a pain in the butt to walk into a house, feel like you're going to spend $1.5 million on your home, and then you have to replace all the windows and all the doors. If your home needs something done, take care of it. Frankly, if you live in a home for 30 years, you probably should have or have undergone at least 2 renovations. Your kitchen needs updated within 30 years. Your bathrooms need updated. Your paint has got to be refreshed. Your windows probably need replaced. Your roof needs some love. It needs love. You can't live in a home and not take care of it. It will cost you when you go to sell. It will either, if you get your house ready appropriately, it's going to cost you in a chunk of change before you list, or it's going to cost you when a buyer walks in and they don't want your house and they don't go over list, they don't waive all your contingencies, and then they nickel and dime you through the home inspection period. So if you are a homeowner, please listen to my advice right now. Please take care of your home. Do the things that you need every single year. Change your filters, check out the roof, paint your house, renovate when it's needed, fix the leak in your ceiling and repaint it. Do the things and they will make you more money when it's time to sell. If you're looking for more tips like this, make sure you follow along. I am Casi Carey, your relocation specialist in Vienna, Virginia. I literally am on every single platform. So if you're on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, all the places, you can find me, and we are dropping information to make your life easier and to make you richer through real estate, and your life richer also through real estate.